Ginger and Moringa, the miraculous combination that fights many diseases. Moringa and ginger have been used for hundreds of years since they have powerful medicinal properties. When combined together, these natural miracles create a potent natural remedy that fights numerous diseases and ailments. The moringa tree is rich in over 90 nutrients and contains 2 times more protein than yogurt, 3 times more potassium than bananas, and 4 times more vitamin A than carrots. It has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk. Due to its countless benefits, the moringa tree is also known as the tree of life. It prevents the negative effects of malnutrition, and Ayurvedic researchers claim that its leaves cure nearly 300 diseases. It is also known as malunggay, and different parts of the tree can be used to prepare different dishes, like drumstick cashew nut curry, drumstick tomato curry, noodles with its leaves and many more. It is native to the Ayurveda traditional medicine and can be used to treat various health issues and diseases, such as it effectively prevents and fights anemia. Moringa relieves headaches, migraines, and any type of body pain. It is rich and contains isothiocyanate and thiocarbamate, so it lowers blood pressure. It treats fevers and bronchitis. Moringa is a natural way to lower cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that it relieves acid reflux and inhibits the growth and formation of stomach ulcers. Moringa fights inflammation and helps in the case of arthritis. Moringa is a natural remedy in the case of catarrh, ear and eye infections as well as scurvy. Moringa improves the function of the liver and treats liver diseases. Ginger is a powerful plant, native to Japan, India, and China. It can be consumed fresh, powdered, dried as a spice, in oil form, or as juice. Ginger is a member of the Zonibraceae family, alongside cardamom and turmeric, and is mostly produced in India, Jamaica, Fiji, Indonesia, and Australia. It is commonly added to recipes like gingerbread, cookies, ginger snaps, ginger ale, and a wide variety of savory recipes. It offers a plethora of health benefits as well, including ginger is extremely effective in the case of nausea, dizziness, and motion sickness. Ginger is very helpful in the case of morning sickness during pregnancy. It prevents side effects of drugs, so it is useful to take it before surgeries. It balances the production of stomach juices, due to its powerful antibacterial properties, and prevents the formation of ulcers. It relieves the symptoms of chemotherapy. Ginger is also highly beneficial in the case of bronchitis, coughs, diabetes, upper respiratory tract infections, stomach pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, obesity, anorexia, and chest pain. Now, here is how to combine the healing qualities of ginger and moringa and get a powerful natural remedy. Ingredients: 10 green moringa leaves, 85 grams of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of honey, 4 cups of water. Preparation: wash the ginger, and cut it in thin slices. Add the ginger slices into boiling water, boil them for 10 minutes, and add the moringa leaves. Remove the pot from heat, cover it, and leave it for 5 minutes. Then, strain, and sweeten with honey. Drink this remedy twice daily, once in the morning, on an empty stomach, and again in the evening, before going to bed. Its regular consumption will strengthen the immune system and boost health in numerous ways.